You are going to love the 2020 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.